In today's video, we are going to solve a very simple exercise. We are going to search for the public law of the Valencian Civil Service and save its URL in the browser favorites. In this case, we will use Chrome, with which if we are identified with our Google account, which is also used for Gmail and Google Drive, we will save that favorite in the cloud and we will be able to access it from any Chrome browser in which we are identified with the same account. Well, let's get started by going on Google search and writing down here, Law of the Valencian Civil Service. And here, any of these first results will serve us well just for demonstration's sake. We could even look up the one about news and some other legal examples. Here we have the want we wanted. Well, now what we want to do is to save this link. Well, in order to save this link, it is as easy as clicking here. We have to click on the star, and by doing so, we will be bookmarking it. Recently, they have also added this thing called reading list, which is another link that appears in the bookmarks bar that are things that we save because we want to read later. In a way, it is like a separate favorite tab. We now click on Add to Favorites. It asks us how we want to save it and where, that is in which folder. We could even create a new folder, and here we have more information about seeing the folders in browser mode, so we can create brand new folders. Okay, so let's save it for now in the regular bookmarks bar. That, as you can see, the bookmarks bar is not visible right now, but I can come here. Now all the browsers already have the bookmarks theme or favorites, as they are called in the Microsoft ones. And here, look, I find the bookmark settings, and by clicking on it, we can hide it or make it visible. Well, and here we would already have the law of the Valencian Civil Service. As I mentioned before, we can right-click on it, and it will ask us if we want to create. Let me see. We could add one more page or even a folder inside the bookmarks bar. And if we happen to have too many things in the bookmarks bar, we could always use, as I briefly overviewed before, that navigation or administration area to manage all our different favorites. In that navigation area, we would get access to those that are in the bookmarks bar, plus the option for creating folders and saving lots and lots of favorite bookmarks. We could either create folders within the bookmarks bar, or another option would be using the reading list that I previously mentioned they had added in Chrome. Firefox and Edge also use a very similar mechanic, so do not worry if you happen to use another browser. And always remember that if you want to hide the bar, you can do so very easily. And with all this, I would finish today's short lesson, in which we have seen how to search for any interesting post online and save its link in the favorite of the bookmark bar. See you in the next video, students.